Jeff and Derek here again, Wood Times. What I want to show you now is this beautiful farmhouse table that we did. There's still some finishing up, little odds and ends, touches we need to do. Put a clear coat up on top, go over and make sure we have stain in all the right areas, fully covered. So dot I's, cross T's, that's what we got to do. But I want to introduce you to the farmhouse dining room table. Can sit 8, absolutely custom. Let's take a look at it.
It's 50 inches by 43 inches and 42 inches tall. It's a great table for families, especially kids that are just gonna be smashing the top, because after it gets all dinged up, you can sand it back down and restain it so you can keep it looking good for years. We did this one in 2 different tones. The bottom is painted gray, top is stained a white. We're gonna put some clear polyurethane on top of it. We can build it any dimensions for you. We can break it down, pull the legs off, and package it smaller so we can ship it anywhere in the country. With this table, trying to keep price in mind, we went with just a bunch of pocket hole screws to attach everything together. We screwed it all together. If we wanted to go with a more higher end, more expensive wood, this is all pine. If we wanted to go with a more expensive hardwood, we could build the whole table out of that. We could do different kinds of joinery for the corners, make it look really good, you know, customize it the way you would like.
So my friends, that's the farmhouse table. Another awesome job that I know Derek and I are super excited and honored to deliver this to the client. Great job, and again, the price is really dependent on the type of wood. Pine, a little bit less expensive. And then you got exotic hardwoods such as walnut that shows the grains and absolutely stunning. But I'll tell you, to the family with children and the average eye, they're not really going to see the difference in the wood. If you're looking for a beautiful showcase masterpiece to have dinner parties on, then you might be more inclined to go with those exotic hardwoods, and whether it be walnut, we can even do a purple heart. But to a family that you're worried about your kids taking a hammer or drawing on it, this is a great table that you can just sand down a little bit, throw another clear coat. You never saw that anything even happened. And if you're interested in the possibilities of us building a farmhouse table for you, please let us know, because we can deliver it to any dimensions that you want. We can assemble it, we could disassemble it, we can package it up, we could ship it all over North America. So my friends, thank you for visiting us at woodtimes.org. Myself and Derek will be happy to serve you in any way that we can. Take care.